Hi guys, it's Cammy at Nguyen LLC, and today we have a very special new product launch. This, you guys, this product right here is a Lash Shampoo Concentrate. One of this bottle right here of 100 ml makes 10 60 ml bottles. 10 60 ml bottles, you guys. Wow. Ta-da! So this is a measuring cup. It does not come with my Lash Shampoo Concentrate, you guys, but I'm sure you could buy this anywhere. So as you guys can see, 10 ml is about this much. So 10 ml, let's say you put 10 ml of the product, okay? And then you add 50 ml distilled water. So make sure that you get and then I have the link for you guys in the video on Amazon, you know, where you can get this bottle right here. It has to be a 60 ml because 10 ml of the product and 50 ml of distilled water. And you can make, out of this bottle of 100 ml, you can make 10 60 ml bottles so that you can sell them. You can sell these lash shampoos, or you can make them to give away to your clients. Make money, or just look, have free gifts, you guys. Make sure that what is the point of getting lash extensions if you don't tell your clients how to appropriately take care of them and wash them? This is my original Foaming Lash and Facial Cleanser 2-in-1, you guys. It comes in 160 ml. And everyone kept on asking me, Cammy, when, as a lash artist, like, can I buy it in bulk? Like, can I get a wholesale price? Can you make it more, you know? So what I did was I took this formula and made it into a concentrate so that you can make your own. And you can sell them on your own. All right, you guys, so don't trip. I'm always gonna have my wonderful 160 ml, okay, bottle for you guys, all right? But let me show you how to make your Lash Shampoo Concentrate. All right, you guys, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and enjoy the shit out of this product. Make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube, turn on your notifications. You do not want to miss any of my videos. And make sure that you follow all my social media, which is Cammy Nguyen LLC for my Instagram and also my TikTok, you guys. All right, see you guys next time.